You know, one of my favorite things about science is that it's constantly surprising us with new and unexpected insights about the universe. For example, did you know that one day our Milky Way galaxy might get eaten by another galaxy? Now, don't panic. This isn't going to happen for billions of years. But according to some scientists, it is a real possibility. You see, the Milky Way is just one galaxy among countless others in the vast expanse of space. And like all galaxies, it has a life cycle. Right now, the Milky Way is in its prime, a big, bustling collection of stars and dust and gas and everything else that makes a galaxy go. But one day soon, it will start to die. As the supply of gas in the galaxy runs out, star formation will slow down and the Milky Way will become a giant collection of old stars. But here's where things get interesting. According to some scientists, at the end of the Milky Way's life, it might get eaten by a nearby galaxy called Andromeda. Andromeda is a bigger galaxy than ours. It's about twice the size of the Milky Way, and it's about 2.5 million light-years away. That's pretty close in space terms, but still far enough away that we can see it as a fuzzy blob in the night sky. For billions of years, Andromeda has been hurtling towards the Milky Way. And one day soon, the two galaxies will collide. Most of the stars in the two galaxies will just pass right through each other. But some of them will get caught in each other's gravitational pull, and then they'll be in a lot of trouble. The scientists who study these things say that the chances of the Milky Way getting eaten by Andromeda are about 20%. If you ask me, that's a pretty small price to pay for some potentially super interesting science. Not only will we have front row seats to the death of our galaxy, but we'll also get to see what happens when two huge collections of stars and dust and gas collide. We'll learn more about the universe and our place in it. So maybe one day soon we'll be able to answer some of the biggest questions in science. Like what happens to a galaxy when it dies? And what happens when two galaxies collide? And what the heck is a quasar anyway? It's a big, exciting, dangerous, messy universe out there, and we're just beginning to understand it. That's all for today. See you next time.